Hey guys, so here at Seattle Gold Grillz, we are constantly, steadily trying to, keep recreating for you guys, and you guys keep coming with some of those most amazing ideas. So check this one out, y'all. You see them deep cuts in each tooth? This is 10 on 10 right here. Unique cut. What would you guys call this design right here? This is one you've never seen before on my channel. I don't know, people really tune into my channels to see stuff that they've never seen before. So I ask again, what would you call this one right here? 10 on 10. Great client. He's been very patient with us, man. He gave us this idea and he wanted them deep cuts. He kept pressing it like, man, can y'all do them deep cuts though? Them Florida cuts, those cuts, yeah, it's all about them cuts with a lot of people. Some people don't really trip, but some people really seriously want them cuts, man. So this is to answer that question without having to say anything. I like showing you guys better than I can tell you. But this is this is him, as my boy likes to say, this is him. But this is 10 on 10 with them deep cuts. It's got the unique diamond cuts on each tooth, as you can see. I'm curious to see what you guys are going to name these. I always like hearing you guys' input and your comments in the comments and stuff. Let me know what you think these should be called. You guys' opinions means the most to me, and I really appreciate y'all for tapping in and supporting, because you guys are the greatest. So once again, this is him. As they say, him. It's got the full backs. You know what I mean? Every tooth. Most importantly about these things, guys, is you want them to fit. If they don't fit, it's most likely going to be the mold, and we might have to remold you. Just be patient with us, calm, chill, relax, and we will take care of that for you. Yep. And we appreciate you guys, everybody, for tapping in and supporting the movement, man. This is him. Inbox me if you need some of these. He's running about between 13 to 1500, somewhere between 13 to 2000, depending on the carat. A lot of people are going with that 18 karat nowadays. I did a few of them this weekend. It's all different people from around the world. I think 18K is starting to catch back on with this popularity. People want to get that darker gold look, then go with 18K. Appreciate everybody, man. Mad love. Peace out. 100.